So I chose to do problem number 7. It said that the child writes the numeral backwards or they reverse the digit in the T numbers. And some of the things that the book said to do was a number line. I came up with some flashcards, and then it told me, or it said that they could circle the wrong numbers, like if you wrote all the numbers out. So the first thing that I did was a number line. I wrote it from 1 to 20. Kind of ran out of room over there, but obviously I wouldn't do that. And so I would go over the numbers. I'd point to this one, or I could have it wrote on the board and have like a little pointer stick and point to it, and they would have to tell me the number all the way to 20. So we're working from single digits all the way to the teen numbers. So 1 to 20, and then after that I'm gonna make them write, just literally copy how the numbers are written, 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way to 20. That way they're focusing on correctly writing the numbers. And then I thought that these little flashcards would help. So some of the numbers are written correctly and some of them are not. And if they're not, you have to tell me no. If they are, yes. And then some of them have like the spelling, the word. Like for example, it'll say 15, and so they have to tell me what numbers go into that numbers. They would have to say 1, 5. So is this one right? They would say yes, yes, yes. So for this one, they would have to say 1, 8. If they said 8, 1, then we know that they're reversing it, and that's what we need to work on. So 1, 7, 1, 6. They'd have to say 1, 5, 1, 2. That is correct, 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 correct. Yes, 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 yes. And then no. It's backwards. Yes, and yes. And then also another thing that the book kind of talked about was I was going to make a sheet of all these numbers, and some of them are written wrong obviously, and so like this 6 is backwards, and they would have to circle the ones that are wrong. And then once they circle those, I want them to write it down on their paper and show me how to correctly do it. So like the 6 is wrong, the 9, 15, 17, and 20. And the last thing that I wanted to do to make sure that they grasp the concept and everything is on their own to write from 1 to 20 on their own, and make sure that they're all correctly written and not reversed or anything. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way down to 20. And hopefully by then they would have it all figured out.